how to use ChatGPT for keyword research. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how ChatGPT can be used for your keyword research. Okay, so first of all, it obviously depends on whatever niche or whatever category of keywords you're going with. So let's say the category or niche of keywords that I'm going to be going with is for my online web store. So I'm going to go with give me good keywords for my online store product. The product is a black leather jacket. Let's go ahead and see what keywords does it give us. So look at that. Sure, here are some good keywords for your online store product, a black leather jacket, and look at that. It gives us all these incredible keywords to work with, which is pretty incredible, right? So yeah, that is basically how you can use ChatGPT for keyword research. Just enter in whatever your demand is, and you're going to start getting keywords right down here and use them. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.